In this video, I'm reviewing the Bitcoin wallet. Download links are in the description. This wallet is one of the crypto world's most popular, known for its simplicity, security, and straightforward Bitcoin management. It's great for both beginners and experienced users needing a reliable way to store, send, and receive BTC. Focused exclusively on Bitcoin transactions, this wallet provides a streamlined, clutter-free experience. One of its key features is simplicity. The interface is clean, and setup is incredibly easy. I quickly created a new wallet or imported an existing one using a recovery phrase. The wallet offers clear options for sending and receiving Bitcoin, tracking transactions, and managing addresses. This straightforward design is perfect for users who value simplicity. Security is paramount. This non-custodial wallet gives you complete control over your private keys. You're not reliant on a third party. Standard backup and recovery options are available, including 12 or 24-word recovery phrases and PIN code protection. Biometric authentication on mobile adds another layer of security and convenience. Built for Bitcoin enthusiasts, this wallet is secure and user-friendly, specifically designed for BTC. Its no-nonsense approach to managing Bitcoin eliminates distractions. The streamlined focus ensures reliability and makes it a trusted choice. The Bitcoin wallet delivers exactly what it promises: reliable, secure, and easy Bitcoin management. It's a strong option for both new and seasoned users wanting a dedicated Bitcoin wallet without complications. For more details and to download, check the links below.